Okay, you guys, today we're going to be using a high lift. Actually, this is not a high lift. Well, it is a high lift, but this is meant to do highlights. The bottles are actually smaller than the high lift bottles, and we got this in the color copper. And right now, this is the before. My bright yellow hair is actually way brighter in the sun. I have about almost 2 inches of regrowth on my head, and we're going to process my hair. And I'm going to get into it in a little bit, you guys. We're actually, right here, I'm trying to get a thumbnail in. But we're going to use 2 of the bottles. And we're going to, see right here? Okay, we're going to use 2 of the bottles. And we're going to use a 40 volume developer. And we're going to do one part of the high lift, highlights, whatever you want to call it. 1 part that, and 2 parts of the peroxide, okay? So when we mix that all up together, this is what we get with 2 parts peroxide, 1 part high lift. And they actually call it HICOLORs. L'Oreal call it HICOLORs. And right here is where, well, you can see I only did my roots. I let that sit in my roots for about 30 minutes. I knew I should have left it in longer, but I left it in for 30 minutes. And this is what it looks like, you guys. And after I leave it on for 30 minutes, after 30 minutes passed, I went in and did the rest of my hair. And I let the rest of the dye sit in my hair for 20 minutes. A total of 50 minutes this product was sitting in my hair. The product should have sat on my roots for an hour to really pull the orange color through. But this is what my hair looks like, you guys. And I'm not even going to lie. My roots look way more brown. And I rinsed too much. I actually didn't really have enough. I barely had enough with those 2 bottles. I definitely needed 3 bottles. Some parts of my hair still look yellowish, kind of, because I didn't really have enough. And I rinsed it too much. Well, that's it, you guys. Peace out.